So g'day and welcome back to Guimarães Coins and Banknotes, and in today's video we have a Portuguese tart Cantonese. It is called potart. And this is something I first encountered in Macau, and then it started to become popular in Hong Kong. That's like at least 20 years ago. So this is something you should actually try. This is from Baker's Delight, and they have another one. I don't think they make it. It's called egg tart or dan tart in Cantonese. And this is just something that I really like. So that's a similar theme. So today we have Chinese coins. I'm not really going to review these. I've reviewed these before. But I do have one of the older 5 fin from 1956. I think this is the second date that they issued, apart from, I believe, 1953. And this is well circulated aluminium coin, and I don't think these, the 1, 2, and 5, circulate in China anymore, because the 1 yuan has a value of about 20 cents, 10 cents, 2 cents, 1 cent, and these are all less than 1 cent. But China has gone to electronic payments. It's more like a control type of thing than just the development. So Australia is mostly electronic payments now, so we don't use coins. And these eventually will become valueless and just worth their value in metal. So, like we have in Australian coins. Okay, so we have the aluminium 1, 2, and 5, first issued from 1953. And then we have, they did issue coins in the 80s, which I don't have. Then they issued these coins here. So the 1 5 jiao, 1 yuan. So aluminium, brass, and copper nickel. Then they changed it to an aluminium 1 jiao, smaller one. Then they changed it to stainless steel. So this is in, started from 1999. And 5 and 1 yuan in, I think it's nickel plated steel. These are all plated steel, and currently I only have 2 of them, but they changed the 5 jiao to the nickel plated steel, smaller coin, and the 1 yuan is still smaller. So that's the current coin that they use in circulation, and that's similar in size to the 1 jiao that's in aluminium. So this indicates how your currency, as doesn't matter what country you're in, shows how currency has pretty much lost a lot of value over the extended time period. And then we have older Chinese cash coins. So these are all cast coins. This one is a machine struck, and there was another one which I have misplaced. Okay, so here it is. So with these coins, these are the last imperial dynasty of China. Now, whether they're counterfeit or original, time will tell. But the first coin that we have is from the first emperor. Actually, it's probably the second, but the first one to actually issue coins with his name on it. This is Shunzi Tongbao, and his name's up the top and down the bottom. This one is quite a large coin. It's about 28 millimeters, and on the back we have the mint, which is you base it on the Chinese character. And this is the Shandong Mint, which is, they call it the Linqiang Mint, but it's in Shandong, and it seems to be not a too common coin to get. Zeno, which is a good coin catalog, only has, how many coins? They've got 11 coins on this, so obviously not an easy coin to get. And I would say these are probably counterfeited quite a lot on the fake coin market. Then the second coin we have from the next emperor after that, and forgot to say the date of this coin is between 1644 and 1662. And the second coin we have is dated after. So 1667, 1670. And I'm a bit confused with the actual mint. So this one is a Tangxi Tongbao, 1662, 1723. So it had a long reign of at least about 61 years. That's quite a long reign. And on the back, we have two inscriptions. So we have the Chinese and we have the Manchu. The Chinese one looks like it is from Guangzhou, Guangdong. So that's a Guangdong mint mark that we have there. And this side should also be Guangdong in Manchu, but it looks more like the Shandong. So that's just what I get. So it probably is just a Guangdong coin, which seems to be not too hard to get. Zeno seems to have 21 coins, so not overly common. Most of the coins would have been from the Board of Revenue. So here we have a Qinglong Tongbao. These ones are just Board of Revenue, Board of Works. So when you're bored, you're just bored. And as you can see, the sizes of these ones are actually quite smaller. And these are pretty common for Chinese coins because he had a very long reign. And the value of these ones is probably only about $5 to $10 each. With these two coins, yeah, I'm not too sure about the value. I need to look that up, but I'd say in this condition, probably not really that great. But if you buy these for $1 each, dump them for $4 or $5, just sell them as an entire group. And the last coin we have is a milled coin. Yeah, in better condition they sell for about $5 or so. And this one is a Guangzhou, so that's the emperor. Tongbao, minted between 1890 and 1895. And on this side we have the Guangdong mint. Okay, so whole Guangzhou, whichever one you want to put. And the hole is, it can be variable with the actual cutting of the hole in the middle. So that's a machine struck, and you can see the differences between the two. The quality of these ones does vary. So, and these are pretty much purchasing power. They're pretty much worthless because in the 50s, China suffered inflation, and also the 40s, which removed these from circulation. And like Nepal, the currency is pretty much worthless now. So you've got 1 rupees, and these ones can't really buy anything, not even worth 1 cent. So this is the fun fact about coin collecting: is that over the long period of time, your coins purchasing power for what they can buy, like a pen, is pretty much worthless. So this is what inflation does. And another thing is that be careful if these are fake coins. So these are fake coins because on the back you can see they're like a Bractiac coin. So these are definitely not real. These are probably on a toy or something like that. I don't know. Could have been on a red pocket for Chinese New Year. So they're not real. And also you've got damaged coins. So this is one of my favorite Italian coins. Beautiful portrait. But it has been damaged on the side. Anyway, this is just a random video. It's also been damaged. Looks like acid's been eaten into it. Anyway, thank you. Bye bye.